Morning, friends. I wanted to share a quick tip I use for math warm-ups. I start on the first day of school. This is a beaded number line is what we call it. It has 120 beads on it. They're in sections of 10, and we start on the very first day of school. We just simply count by ones. We move a bead, we say 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on until we get all the way down to 120. It's one thing to just count out loud, but I think the kids really enjoy and they retain it a lot better whenever they move, add movement to it. So we start out by just counting 1 to 120 every single day, especially the first 2 months of school. So we are in an addition unit now, so we're still doing this, but our next unit is going to be place value to 120. Or actually, I think it's 200, but we're still going to use this because these are in sections of 10. We first practice skip counting by 10, so we'll start that now. 10, 20, 30, and so on. But when we get to our place value unit, this is such a great opportunity to show them why we do place value. We group things in groups of 10 because it's so much easier to count. So I can say, well, show me 53 beads. And the first time I'll let them count out 53. It's going to take them forever. But then we can start by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then we switch to ones, 51, 52, 53. And so that is how we'll practice for a while. Now in Texas, one of our standards for first grade is to be able to recite forwards and backwards to 120 from any number. So then I'll have them count out the number 53, and then we switch it up and go backwards. 52, 51, 50, 49, all the way back to 0. So this is just a super easy warm-up idea that you can use in your classroom. Like I said, I start day 1. The kids think it's super fun. It gives them a lot of good practice because, like I said, they're moving and counting at the same time, and it's a really good visual for when you're doing place value for them to see the different groups of 10. So my quick tip for the day, if you have any other questions on how to use them, just send me a message. I have a blog post that I'll link that shows you how you can do addition with these. You can do missing numbers with these. We also use them for time because these are in groups of 10, so we will wrap it around the clock to help us count by tens. There's just a lot of really fun things you can do with them. So if you have questions, send me a message. If not, have a great day.